Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to set up a Siemens S7-1200 PLC to a GOT2000 HMI through the Ethernet port. In TIA portal, we have to set an IP address to the PLC. We also need to set the protection and security settings so it doesn't prevent any communication. In my main program, I will make a simple program that we can use for the HMI project. I will now download the program to the PLC. We can now open up GT Designer and create a new project. Here we choose the correct HMI type, then Siemens Ethernet. We need to choose an IP address in the same range as the PLC to the HMI. If we now go to Controller Settings, we need to specify the PLC type, IP address, and port number. I will add two buttons and connect them to the memory bits I made in my program. Then I will add two lamps that will be controlled by the buttons. And last, I will add a numerical display. I will now download the project to the HMI and then test it out. When I now push my buttons, the lamps will turn on. When I modify my memory word, it will show on the HMI. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.